promise you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Liz and welcome to what I eat in a day. I can't remember if I've ever created one of these videos on here, but since I'm like so much into fitness, if you guys follow me on like my Instagram, my TikTok, you know how much I'm always going to the gym. And now for like maybe like the past 2 weeks now, I've been going every single day because I've decided to start 75 hard. So I think why not just show you guys a little bit into what I eat in a day. I don't really normally like track my calories, that sort of thing. I just kind of know in my head, if you get what I mean. So my diet currently, as part of my 75 hard, I don't like to call it diet, the choices that I'm choosing to make in terms of the food that I'm eating because of my 75 hard is kind of like a low calorie, high protein, also in like a little bit of deficit at the moment because I have a little bit of fat around my gut that I really want to lose. So I'm in like a deficit, just kind of like help cut that fat away. The things that I'm going to be eating today will be high in protein and kind of like low in carbs. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to eat. I'm about to like get ready to go to the gym and I'm gonna like have some breakfast. Normally I have maybe like a rice cake or something, but I'm thinking more on the line of having something a little bit heavier, just kind of like homey, because I'm going to be doing some cardio today. So if I can like feed myself in a way that I'm not too hungry while working out and thinking about food, then I can maximize today's session. So I think I'm gonna have some oats, and I'm also gonna have some protein granola with it. This is how I like to have my oats. I'll show you exactly how. Also, I got my nails done yesterday and I really do love them. Let me see if I can show you a little bit better here. Don't tell me I have the fridge open. Is that the fridge or the cupboard? That's the cupboard. So this is what I ended up going for. Back with the red. I absolutely love red nails. It's just something about them. They just give me like a boost of confidence when I have red nails. I don't know if it's just me. I just really do love them. So yeah, that's my nails. I'm not really like a coffee drinker like that in the morning. When I'm at work though, because the coffee machine is there, I will grab myself a drink. But when I'm home, it's more like tea, that sort of thing. But I'm just gonna have my oats for now. Also, I've prepped my drinks from last night because I'm going to the gym. I mentioned to you guys. So when I say I prep my drinks, I basically just prep my water that I'm going to be having for the day. This is my protein drink. I'll talk to you about that in a bit. And this is my water. This is 2 liters of water. I drink this off for the whole day. And when I'm basically finished, because I'm going to the gym, I tend to like finish this a bit quicker, especially on cardio day. So I will just refill and go again. My protein drink, I normally like to bring this with me to the gym, and I'll basically just drink it after my workout so I can get some protein in right after like that protein window. So in this I have a protein shake, I have whey protein powder, maybe like a watermelon flavor, and it has about 25 grams of protein in there. Normally I'll have vitamin C and collagen, but I kind of like run out of that, so I need to get some when I'm back from the gym. I need to order some. And I also have creatine in here and glutamine. And yeah, that is my post-workout drink. I'm not gonna have any pre-workout. I'm hoping that this breakfast will give me as much energy that I need to fuel it. So I'm not gonna have any form of pre-workout. I'm trying to like cut down on like the caffeine that I drink. So I haven't been having any pre-workout. I've just been going off vibes and the food that I eat throughout the day. And so far it's been going okay. I'm going to use one of these oats sachets since it's already like portioned, I guess. So I'm gonna just pour this into a pot and add some milk. I'm gonna add oat milk because I'm trying not to have, well, I don't normally buy the other milk. So it's either oats or almond. I currently have like oat milk in the fridge, so I'm gonna like just use that. I've got my oat milk here that I'm going to be using. Oh, I forgot to add my my nutmeg and my cinnamon. I normally add spices in here, but I forgot to add them. Perfect. I'm going to add some protein granola. this is basically what the packet looks like. So this is pretty much breakfast. This is honestly so good. I'm just gonna have this now, and I'm basically just gonna get ready and head out to the gym. I'm dressed and ready to go to the gym. This is the outfit that I've decided to go with today. There's some purple lavender type of like leggings and this top, which I absolutely love. I have it in this color and red. I just love the cut, and yeah, I just love where it falls. It's really nice. And this is what the back looks like. Yeah, absolutely love it. I am going to head out now. I did pick up like 2 easy peelers just to bring with me, one to snack while I'm there, one to snack when I'm back. I have my protein drink here, and I also have my water. So I'm gonna head out, and then we come back. I'm probably gonna have lunch. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna have for lunch yet, but we'll figure it out when I'm back. Hey guys, it's honestly so late in the afternoon now. I literally just got back from the gym, and I leave out probably like after 11. It is now 3 o'clock, and I'm just getting back. So late. Did not expect to spend this long at the gym. I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm so happy that I did had the oats earlier. I did make myself some meatballs yesterday with some pasta. I think I'm gonna have like my heavier meal now. So I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna fry like 2 eggs just to like add on the side for like additional protein. So that is what I'm gonna have for lunch, and a side of salad. So let's just eat. Oh, for the workout today, I ended up doing like a 5K run in the beginning, and then I did like a upper body workout. So it was back day today and cardio like I mentioned, and after that it was kind of like a core. We did like a core circuit, which was good. So workout was good, however it was super long, and I felt so good after that 5K run, like so good. I didn't go to the gym with the intention to run a 5K run, but because I kind of like went there early and I was waiting for the girls, I ended up just doing 5K, which was really good. So yeah, anyways, let me just make this. I've already have the food here. I just need to like dish it out, warm it up. I'm gonna put it in the microwave, and I'm gonna make the eggs. I also still have like my protein drink here. I started drinking it on my way in, so I just need to like finish this up as well. And my water, I drink this much at the gym, and we're down to about 5 p.m. So I'd say we're doing pretty good for the day when it comes down to my water intake. Love that. If I can have majority of my carbs now, since I'm just like getting back from the gym, like doing my workout and stuff, have majority of my carbs now. So I'm gonna have this pasta, and then we kind of like minimize it in the evening for dinner. I think for dinner I'm gonna do salmon. I'm not too sure yet. I also have chicken. I did bought myself some chicken breast. I said I was gonna make myself like a chicken burger with like sweet potato fries, like a homemade style burger, but it's more for like a lunch meal, I think. So I don't know if I'm gonna have that for dinner because of the bread. I kind of want to do maybe like quinoa. So I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll show you guys anyway, like what I'm gonna have for lunch, for dinner. I think I'm gonna have this much pasta. I did use brown pasta, kind of like substitute my brown for like my whites for brown, which is like really good. So that way I can still kind of like get my fiber and stuff in it. And then the meatballs that I have, I'm just having around 6 of them. I had 6 yesterday for lunch, and I'm just gonna have like the next 6 for dinner. I do need to like do some meal prep today. I think I'm going to just meal prep everything that I have in the fridge, which is, I think I'm gonna just season it instead of like cook it, because I'm just gonna chuck them in the air fryer. But once I season it, it just makes my life a little bit easier. So that's what I'm going to do. This is what I have going. I'm gonna put this in the microwave, and I'm gonna fry some eggs so I can add on the side for like some additional protein with this. So meanwhile my eggs are doing this thing, I'm gonna work on my salad. I did get this salad on my grocery shop yesterday. So I'm gonna have this, and I made myself a sauce. I found like a recipe on TikTok, and I absolutely love it. It's so good. Let me just put some into this. So I have this much, and I'm gonna show you how I make this the dressing. Let me just take out these eggs. I can just turn that off. Right, literally have to like stoop down so you can see me. So for my salad, I'm gonna use some olive oil for the dressing. You're gonna need some honey, and you're also gonna need some black pepper. They did put mustard in this. I didn't try the mustard yesterday, but I think I want to try it today. I think they use like another kind of mustard, but they did say you could put like regular mustard in there as well. So I'm gonna see if I can give that a try. Yeah, I think we can work with this. I was just looking at the ingredients in this. They also have lemon juice. That's what I'm forgetting. I don't have lemon, so I'm just going to use lemon juice. I did put some avocado in this yesterday as well in the salad, but I think I'm just going to have avocado with my dinner later. I'm going to add some olive oil. A little bit of olive oil into that. I'm going to add some mustard. This is the mustard that I have. Just gonna add a little bit in there. I'm gonna add some honey. The more honey you add, the more sweet it's gonna be. I'm gonna add like a little bit of honey. I'm also gonna add some black pepper, and I'm gonna add some lemon juice in there as well, that much. And I'm just gonna stir it, and that's basically it. And I'm just gonna like drizzle it in my salad. This is really good. Wow, I love that. What lunch is looking like. Super good, smells super good. And this is my side of salad. It is around dinner time, but I haven't started having dinner yet. It's about 5:30. I need to make my dinner, start making my dinner around now, like prep and stuff. But I need to like edit some short form content on my phone, so I'm gonna do that. I was kind of like finishing up a YouTube video that I need to go up, which is now live, and I have some short form I want to post, some today, one on TikTok, one on IG, so I need to edit those. So I'm gonna have a little snack for now, and I'm basically gonna have some cashew. I just love snacking on these. You just get your fiber, source of protein, that sort of thing. So I'm just gonna have some of this, and also have some grapes that I have in this. I'm not gonna have the whole thing. They're kind of like loose in this, so I'm just gonna like munch on them while it's in the bag. And this is gonna be like my snack before dinner. I'm gonna like snack on this while I edit. Once I'm done edit, I'm gonna go straight into making dinner. Just finished unboxing some stuff in PR. I've also just finished editing my videos and posted them as well, so I'm gonna like have something to eat. I have like a chicken here. I'm just gonna season the chicken. I'm not gonna cook it today. I'm gonna be going for some salmon, so this should be really quick for me to do. So dinner is going to be salmon, and I'm also gonna have, I really don't want to have any rice. I was gonna have this, but because I have the pasta, I think I want, whoa, jeez. I don't think I will. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have some, wow, everything does a drop and a go on bad, so I'm gonna have some steamed veg. And I bought this thingy last week, this asparagus that I really need to like make, so I can have some asparagus with the salmon. So I think I'm gonna do that instead of like, ooh, and I really love that salad that I've been making, so I'm gonna have it with like a side of salad. I really do. I think it's because of the dressing that I used. It's just so good with this. Done making my dinner. Well, almost done. I'm just about to add this dressing to the salad. I did go ahead and do the same thing again. I just didn't add any mustard this time, and also added some avocado as well. I've also got my dinner here, literally like just salmon and some asparagus, and then I have like the veggies here. For my drink, I think I'm gonna have some coconut water. That's the only thing I have. Coconut water or water. I'm gonna have some of this. That's pretty much all my eating for the day. I'm done now. I'm having like my last beverages. It's like some peppermint tea to try to like help me digest for the night. And I still have like a little bit more water that I need to drink here, which I will drink off before the night ends. I am going to end this video here. I hope you did enjoy. The meals were a little bit boring today. It was a little bit simple, but you guys get the point of the video. I also try not to like snack too much, and if I do, I try to go for like the healthier option. I'm in my health and fitness era, okay? I'm in that era and I love it here. I'm doing super well with the eating, and also really like trying to like lower my dairy intake, which has been really good. So I'm super proud of that. Anyways, I am going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Bye.
Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my